He's letting me scratch his neck. I think that's the most he's ever let me scratch his neck before. Because he knows it, because it feels so good. He's like, man, how do you do that? He's like, you scratch so good. It was better than a fence post.
Okay, thanks.
Today I've got the boys outside and I've told them I'll pay them $1, right? If they work really hard with me the whole time I'm working on cutting and splitting some firewood and stacking it on the porch of the house. What's going on?
He's up here and he's trying to get down. I don't know how to get him down because I can't lift him out.
So he needs a little help?
Yeah.
I saw him up there. I knew he was up there. Come on, let's get him.
Oh.
We're coming, Brighton! I watched Bright and Justice walk up this hill and saw them climb the fence. Didn't know that Brighton could climb the fence like that. And he got all the way to the top. You climbed all the way up there by yourself.
Dad, can I get a meal now?
Where'd your shoes go? Oh, you kicked them off there on the ground down there. Hey, good job climbing all the way up there. I saw you do that without any help. Did you show him how to do it?
Yeah.
But you couldn't climb down the other side, huh? Side?
Dad.
Oh, well, let's get shoes on first. I'm just watching these kids grow up right in front of me. This guy, I mean, just last year he felt like he was almost a baby when he was turned 2. And he's so grown up now. He can shoot his little bow. He can climb the fence. He helps out with jobs. And I'm trying to teach these guys really deliberately. I think it's something I've kind of failed at and thought, oh, I can just send the kids to go do a job, you know. I'm realizing that everything has to be taught, like every single step. So I'm trying to work that into my chores in the morning. I'm gonna split some of these down into pieces that you can carry. So stand back while I'm splitting so you don't get hit.
Okay.
Because you can actually get hurt pretty bad by getting hit by flying firewood. You want to see, I got hit in the shin the other day while I was splitting. You want to see that? Come here, Justice, look. I got hit there, look at that.
Ow!
It just like popped a hole, it just like toward the skin, and I have a scab there now.
Ow, don't stab. Can I see?
It's not bad, it's just a little scab, it'll fall off.
Oh, that looks really bad.
It just bruised a little.
Make sure it doesn't happen again, right?
Oh yeah.
This was done. What?
Oh yeah.
Oh. What?
Yes, it hurt.
What's your teeth? Get this piece.
Hey, are you working hard or hardly working?
I got paid.
You got paid? No, you didn't get paid.
Yes, I did.
Who paid you?
Mom.
No, she didn't. Mom's on the same page as Daddy.
Page.
Page, same page. Page 3. The good news is I'm only down $1, looks like it. We don't pay the kids for that many jobs. But I think it's good for them to learn where money comes from. And for most of us, money comes from doing really hard work. Are you working hard?
Can I tell you a secret?
Tell me a secret.
In your ear.
Okay, what is it? He's trying. Justice is trying to whistle. Okay. Now say it.
Yeah, say it.
Okay, he was just joking. He wasn't trying to whistle. He was just teasing you. Justice has been able to whistle since he was like 2. Kitty, you're right. That's not the biggest stack of firewood that I've ever seen. That's okay though. It was a good job for Dad and the boy on a fairly busy day when we were in town a lot of the day. So we got you some firewood so you won't freeze in the next week.
Thank you. Do you like my hairdo?
I do like your hair.
He was pulling my hair so hard, I had to get it out.
What? Oh, why do you have an elf on your back?
Is he in there securely?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, little elf.
Because he was not letting me make dinner. I was even singing and dancing, and he was not letting me do it.
What are you cooking?
We are having a quick broccoli casserole with rice and ground beef and lots of broccoli.
Be a happy baby. Be a happy baby.
Don't you fuss so your mama can't cook dinner. Don't you fuss. The onions may not go good on him. He's trying to cut them really fast.
3 pigs are out. The 3 little pigs. I've got their charger inside charging right now. And their mom doesn't come out, but when the fence is off, those 3 will get out really fast. It actually hasn't only been a town day. I actually was out hunting this morning and took Justice with me. It's the first time he ever went out with me. And this morning I saw 2 bucks that were real far out and not on our land. And then saw 3 does. So we were mostly deer watching this morning. And I'm about to go out again just for about 30 minutes.
Your amazing wife.
My amazing wife is going to let me go out again.
At supper time.
Yeah.
I'm just
Hopefully right before supper.
Supper will be ready before you back. It's fine. I'll feed everyone.
This big buck has been teasing me, and he's been taunting me. He's been running in the pastures on the neighbor's place. And the girls have seen him one morning, and the neighbor, well, not the neighbor, but the hunter up here took a shot at him one day from real far out and just clean missed him. And I've seen him from down here, from the house, way up on the ridges, but I haven't seen him in the woods yet, so I'm hoping we'll run into each other pretty soon. Hey, Justice, got something for you. That's for working hard. Good job.
I got 2 good men stacking me some firewood. Do you want your mama?
No deer. Well, there were deer out there, but...
Why didn't you shoot them?
I didn't see it. You saw it.
I thought... Oh,
Grace was sitting in the house watching deer while I was out there hunting and not seeing any deer.
Let's eat some supper and celebrate Advent.
It's been another great day on the homestead.
Yes, it has!
It has. Thank you.
Hey!
Welcome to our crazy.
Hey!
Oh, did you hear him? He said it too.
Welcome on a day of a homestead day.